Alright guys, this is part 2 of another Harbor Breeze Danrich Marina ceiling fan. See, I have one right there and I have a Hunter fan right there. But here's another fan here. I have 2 of these here in my aunt's house. She has 2 of them. Here's the remote for this one. Once again, these are kind of like candles. You can dim the lights, which isn't really good because you don't want to like burn the motor out if you're doing that. But some people, they'll work good just gently going too long. But there's the top of the motor. I'm gonna go ahead and start the V on low. This one goes a little faster than the other one, but this one's a little quieter. This one kind of stops quicker and starts up a little faster than the other one. But they're the same fans. They're still nice, the same. They're just a little different. This one goes a little faster than the other one. This one's a little quieter and blows a little more air. Alright, now we'll turn up to medium. There's medium. Very nice. Alright. Now we're going to turn up to high. Here's high. There's the top of it. Turn the light on a minute. There you go. That's high. Really nice fan. Okay, now I'm going to turn it back to low, because that's where I found it. Got a little remote holder here, and then over there I have another one for there. This fan used to have a remote. But apparently the remote thing wouldn't work, so we had to take the remote out of that one. But there you go. That's the fan. And there you go.